Oba Isiaka, Kábíyèsí o, Kábíyèsí o. May you live long.
Amen.
May you live long.
Amen.
This is Inside Africa 360 Media, and it's our pleasure being here today to showcase this amazing cultural day that you're celebrating here in Enugu today. May we meet you, sir? Your name?
I am Oba Engineer Isiaka Bidemi Salmon, MNSC PhD, Ilufemiloye 1, the Oba and the leader of Yoruba community in Enugu State.
So, can you tell us what transpired here today and how you feel about it?
Okay, today being 6th of December 2025, the Yoruba community in Enugu State under my leadership, we gathered here today to celebrate a 3-in-1 program, to celebrate Yoruba Cultural Day in Enugu State, to distribute a scholarship award to 20 deserving undergraduate students, and also to award prominent Nigerians who have made positive contribution in their various fields of endeavor.
Wow. Now tell us, how long have you been doing this practice?
Okay, in the practice of
Your cultural day in Enugu State.
okay, this is the maiden edition of Cultural Day in Enugu State. This is the first one.
Wow.
Yes, this is the first Yoruba Cultural Day in Enugu State.
Wow.
And I'm happy that I'm the chief host of this very great and historic event today.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. And the award. So that means even the award. This is the first. This is the first time.
For the scholarship award,
Scholarship, yes.
this is the second badge.
Okay.
This is the second time.
Okay.
On April 26, 2025, when I inaugurated my cabinet members, that was when I did the first scholarship award.
Okay.
5 undergraduates were awarded full scholarship
Wow.
into a particular tertiary institution in Kwara State. And today is now the second batch. And today we are privileged that under my leadership, 20 undergraduates have been awarded full
My
scholarship.
goodness. Wow. This is awesome.
Yes.
This is awesome.
Yes.
Now tell us, sir, is there any synergy between the government of Enugu State and you as a people here in Enugu State, as well as the Yoruba community from home?
Like we all know, the government is for all. And as resident of Enugu State, there is a cordial relationship between my community and the Enugu State government. And we want to use this opportunity to thank His Excellency, Barrister Dr. Peter Undubusi Mba, for the transformative style he has adopted in Enugu State, because he has done so well in Enugu State, and we continue to pray for him. We continue to synergize with him to move the state forward.
Awesome. Awesome. Now we noticed that even young children, small children, were here today. I mean, what does that entail for the people of Yoruba here?
That is a very significant happening to me today, because in our culture there is a saying that òrìṣà téèyàn bá ń ṣe téèyàn bá fi hàn ọmọ òrìṣà náà máa ń gbẹni. What this translated to is that whenever you have a culture or you have an habit of doing a particular thing, when you prevent the younger ones from knowing about it, what it means is that that particular thing will just fade away with the elders. So I'm very delighted that our children also join us in the Yoruba Community Cultural Day today. Who knows? Some of them might decide to stay in Enugu. So this whole thing will not be a new thing to them. Like my 17 years ago, I came to this state as a youth corps member. Wow. I never knew that I would stay up to this moment. Wow. But we give thanks to Almighty. The person that came as a youth corps member 18 years ago to serve in a school known as Tech under the Professor Reverend Father Emmanuel Ede. Today, I'm a PhD and I'm the leader and the Oba of my community.
Oh my goodness. Congratulations to you once again. Now, what's your message to the people? You notice the presence of top politicians, businessmen and women all here today. What's your goodwill message to them?
My goodwill message to them is that I want to thank them sincerely. I can name them, from the chairman of the ruling party in the state, Honorable Dr. Ben Nwoye. Out of his tight schedule, he still find time to be with us. The IMT rector was here. Even Igwe Asadu, he came here, the chairman of Enugu State Traditional Rulers Council. Then Igwe Francis Okafo from Izeagu also came. Then His Royal Highness, Eze Abdulfatai C. Emetuma, came all the way from Oguta, local government in Imo State, a traditional ruler in a village known as Umuofo village in Oguta local government. We have Ambassador Mrs. Nweke, who is in Morocco representing Enugu state government. She sent a representative. The city rep, Honorable Samobi, Chimobi Sam Atu, was also here and he was also awarded today. So a lot of them came. Sincerely appreciating them, and I thank them so much for identifying with us. And I can assure them that with what they've done today, the Yoruba community in Enugu State can never forget their names, and we continue to look for the like minds in order to contribute meaningfully to the development of the state.
Awesome. Awesome. Now, what's your message to your people?
To my people, the Yorubas living in Enugu State, let us continue to live in harmony. We are Omoluabis. Wherever we are the pace setters. Nobody knows us as our troublemakers. Let us continue to live peacefully with the host community. And let's continue to guide our children aright. Then let's do away with anything tribalism. Wherever you walk, whatever you do, put sincerity. And your tribe should be sincerity and purpose of sincerity and unity of purpose.
Thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for coming. Thank you.